Dear learners, welcome to online classes for the students of class 12 and ACC examinees 2020. This is Abdullah Khan, Assistant Professor of English, Department of English, Chandpur Government College, Chandpur. So, first of all, my gratitude to our honorable and respected principal sir, who is the pioneer for arranging online classes for the well-being of the students of Chandpur Government College. Definitely, we are grateful to his great initiative. Dear learners, you know we are passing a great crisis time in our life. We have never seen this time in our life. So, stay home, stay safe, save your community and control COVID-19. Dear students, this is the total 100-mark syllabus for English second paper. So, in part A, grammar is 60 marks. And you see that the grammatical items are here for you. Articles, prepositions, completing sentences with suitable phrases, words given in the box. And those who are attending the lectures, our previous lectures, you have already enjoyed the lectures on articles and completing sentences with suitable phrases, words given in the box. Item number 4, completing the sentences using clauses and phrases. And number 5, correct form of verbs. You have to deal all these grammatical items in your second year. Number 6, transformation of sentences. Number 7, change the narrative style. That means narration. And you have to deal with also pronoun references, modifiers, sentence connectors, synonym, antonym, and punctuation. Dear students, my dear students, I know some topics or some items you have already learned in your SSC time, in your school time, and some topics or some items are new here. So this is total 60 marks for grammatical items, and you have to deal with writing part also. And in composition part, you have to answer for 40 marks, writing formal letter, job application or email, report writing, perhaps it's new for you, writing paragraph, you know, and composition. So, my dear students, the numbers in the right margins you are watching are the numbers for total marks. Dear learners, what are we going to study today? It's modifiers, and this is the lecture number 1 for modifier. What are the objectives of the lecture? When we will finish our lecture, we will learn defining modifiers with examples, uses modifiers, uses of modifiers as words, phrases, and clauses, types of modifiers, pre-modifiers with examples, and post-modifiers with examples. So these are the learning outcomes, or these will be the learning outcomes of our 2 days lecture. Hope you will enjoy the lecture. So dear students, what is modifiers? Definition: the words or phrases or clauses which are placed before or after noun or pronoun or any other parts of speech to modify that noun or pronoun or verb or other parts of speech are called modifiers. Dear students, I want to switch in Bengali to make you proper understand. Maybe some of you are in difficulties to understand the English definition. So in a word, if we define it in Bengali, just very simple. যেসব ওয়ার্ড অথবা ফ্রেজ অথবা ক্লজগুলো নাউন প্রোনাউন অথবা কোনো পার্সন স্পিচের আগে বসবে অথবা পরে বসে যদি তার আগে বা পরের ওই ওয়ার্ডগুলোকে যদি মডিফাই করে, দ্যাট ইজ মডিফায়ার্স। এক্সাম্পল, আ হোয়াইট ক্যাট। See the example, my dear students. A white cat. Cat is a noun and the word white is placed before the word cat. Okay, we can say a cat, but when we say a white cat, that means we are modifying the cat. বিড়ালটি আসলে কোন কালারের? ব্ল্যাক, ব্রাউন, হোয়াইট or black and white? So cat শব্দটার আগে হোয়াইট শব্দটা বসে ক্যাট শব্দটাকে মডিফাই করেছে, বিশেষিত করেছে বেঙ্গলি। সো আ হোয়াইট ক্যাট। তো আমরা কোনো শব্দের আগে নতুন একটা শব্দ যোগ করে ওই শব্দ সম্পর্কে একটা নতুন ইনফরমেশন দিতে পারি। আমরা প্রথমেই বললাম একটি বিড়াল, কিন্তু আমি এখন পরে বললাম যে বিড়ালটা সাদা। ওকে, বিড়ালটি কালো। সো ইটস ক্লিয়ার টু ইউ? আ হোয়াইট ক্যাট। ওকে, ফাইন। নাম্বার 2, আ ফ্যাট বয়। নট আ স্কিনি বয়, আ ফ্যাট বয়। So the word fat modifies the word boy, noun, white, fat, adjective. So we can place adjectives before noun to modify that noun with the adjectives. It's very simple. Number 3, Laura is very beautiful. Okay, Laura is beautiful, that's enough. But যদি আমরা বলতে চাই লরা খুব সুন্দর, খুব আচ্ছা লরা সুন্দর, লরা খুব সুন্দর, তাহলে খুব দিয়ে বেরি দিয়ে আমি কি করলাম, বিউটিফুলটাকে আমি আরেকটু মডিফাই করে দিলাম। So all these 3 examples are pre-modifier, examples of pre-modifiers. So we'll deal with pre-modifiers next slide. Okay, number 4, he walks slowly. So slowly, সে হাঁটে। সে কিভাবে হাঁটে? আস্তে আস্তে হাঁটে, ধীরে ধীরে হাঁটে। So the slowly, the word slowly modifies the word walks. And finally, Laura is beautiful. The word beautiful modifies our noun Laura. So we have gone through some examples of words as a modifier. Now we can see the phrases as modifiers. He wants to fly in the sky, infinitive phrase. He wants to fly in the sky. So to fly in the sky, it's an infinitive phrase and it modifies the verb wants. What does he want? If I ask you a question, what does he want? So he wants what? To fly in the sky. So to fly in the sky modifies the verb want here. Number 2, prepositional phrase. The cat on the coach is mine. Where is the cat? Cat on the coach. So, on the coach, this phrase modifies the noun the cat. Okay, I think now you're clear enough how to use phrases as a modifier. Clauses. I know the time when he will come. So, relative clause with relative pronoun. Adjective clause, relative clause. We can use any other clause also. Noun clause. I know where he works. So, these are the examples of clauses. Dear students, let's start with types of modifiers. Number 1, premodifier. What is premodifier? Premodifier is a word that is placed before the word it modifies. So, in Bengali, if we want to make you more clear, কোনো noun, pronoun অথবা কোনো অ্যাডজেক্টিভের আগে যদি আমরা কোনো শব্দ বসিয়ে দিয়ে ওই শব্দটাকে আমরা মডিফাই করতে চাই, that is premodifier. So, this is a clear example. Cat and fat is placed before cat, and the word fat is modified the word cat. Here, fat modifies the word cat that comes after it. So, number 2, George Floyd was a black man. George Floyd was a black man. Man and black. Here, black modifies the word man that comes after it. Okay, number 3 example. It's also a good example. A white police officer murdered George Floyd. A white police officer murdered George Floyd. Here, white modifies the word police officer. See, police officer. First of all, I put the word white. White modifies police officer. Okay, fine. And police also modifies the word officer. Okay, we can use like tax officer, we can use customs officer, we can use admin officer, or we can use food officer. So all the words placed before the last noun word modifies the last word. So, premodifier is a word that placed before the word it modifies. Dear students, let's see post modifier. A post modifier is placed after the word that it modifies. So, pre-modifiers আগে বসে, post modifier পরে বসবে. Very simple. He was the man chosen for the job. The man. See the word the man. Man and chosen. So, here the word chosen is placed after the man, and this word chosen modifies the man. I saw angel singing. Who is singing? Angel. The word singing is modifying the noun word angel. It's very clear. Pre-modifier, post-modifier. Post-modifier. Singing is placed after angel. Okay, number 3. 4 white police officers found George Floyd dead. Here, dead is placed after the noun George Floyd to modify the noun. So, the word dead is placed after George Floyd to modify the head word or the noun word George Floyd. Who is dead? George Floyd is dead. Dear learners, it's very simple and clear to you. So, let's see some more examples. If we sum up pre-modifier and post-modifier, then we can define in a very short way. A modifier placed before the head is called a pre-modifier, and a modifier placed after the head is called a post-modifier. For example, in landmines, dear students, see the phrase landmines. The word land is a pre-modifier of mines. Land is placed before mines, whereas in the phrase mines in wartime, see the phrase mines in wartime. So, mines in wartime, this phrase is placed after mines in. So, the phrase in wartime is a post modifier of mines. It's a very good example to understand pre-modifier and post-modifier. Okay. A big example for you. I think it will make you more clear and more understandable to understand modifiers. A head may have a number of modifiers. One head or one noun may have a number of modifiers, and these may include both pre-modifiers and post-modifiers. For example, that nice tall man from Canada whom you met. This is noun phrase. It's a big noun phrase. That nice tall man from Canada whom you met. Okay, man is our head. Man is our head. Look, the words before man and after man. That nice tall. Okay, look, first time the pre-modifier. Man is the head. Nice and tall are pre-modifiers. Nice and tall are pre-modifiers. Nice, tall. Nice, tall man. And from Canada and after man. From Canada whom you met. Post-modifiers. Very simple. Just consider the word man as a head, and before the man, the words are pre-modified, and after the man, the words are post-modified. Dear students, I want to clear you more. See, if we omit or if we remove the modifiers from the sentence, it doesn't affect the grammatical rule of the sentence. The modifier can be removed without affecting the grammar of the sentence. For example, in the English sentence, this is a red ball. The adjective red is a modifier, modifying the noun ball. Removal of the modifier would leave. This is a ball. It's a grammatically correct sentence. So we can omit or we can remove the adjective or modifier from the sentence, but sentence will be correct. So we can make sentence without modifier also, but modifier is important, or modifier plays a very important role to construct sentence. It helps a sentence to give more information about the noun or about the pronoun. Dear students, thanks to all. Hopefully see you next class with lecture number 2 on modifiers. Again, I want to say you that stay at home and control COVID-19.